Hey guys, John with the Trucker's Kitchen. How you doing today? Well, I'm in Buckhorn, Pennsylvania. I know it's one of them states I don't usually go to. Don't like coming here. My personal preference. But anyway, I'm here. It's a Saturday before Easter. Happy Easter, everybody that celebrates. Anyway, I got some laundry to do. I got a truck to clean up since I was out of my Volvo for 10 to 14 days. I got to clean up everything I had to put back in the truck. I've got a freezer that I just restocked, brand new freezer. Haven't used it before. We're going to hope it works and I don't lose everything. And then we're going to come back here and we're going to make my dinner. What are we having? Single serving Salisbury steak. Stay tuned. Well, just like any other laundromat, high prices, questionable machines. $3.25 to do a load. Let's get to it. And yes, the final quarter. Let's go. Go ahead, start. I'll set my timer for 35 minutes and we come back. All right, guys, let's start cooking. We got my mushrooms, beef broth, hamburger patty, brown gravy mix, and Worcestershire sauce. Salt and pepper also will be put in there. So let's get started. Okay, guys, I forgot to show the onion to begin with, but we're going to have an onion. We're going to use about half of this thing. So cut it in half. And I'll peel this, and when it gets through being peeled, and chopped, I'll bring you right back. Okay, this is the way I'm gonna cut them. I like long pieces of onion in mine. So this is the way I'm doing it, just following those ribs. And as you can see, they're not going to be evenly cut. It's real live, people. Real live. I'll take this, kind of get it straightened up a little bit, and cut it in half. And I'll bring you back. Oh, I won't. I'll just go ahead and do it now. All right, so we're going to take our crock pot. That's getting warm. We're going to put our onions right here in the bottom. Onions on the bottom. Yes, sirree. All right. We're going to take our hamburger patty. Just a regular hamburger patty you can buy from Walmart. I did buy this from Walmart from the fresh food section because I didn't want to get a bunch of ground beef in here. All right. We're going to lay that right on top of the onions. Now, I don't know whether you can see that or not, so here we go, Carrie. Hold your breath. There you go. It's right on top of the onions. All right. We're going to take our mushrooms. And this is player's choice. You put as much as you want or as little as you want. I love mushrooms, so I'm probably going to use a whole lot. Not all of them, but close to all of them. There you go. Now my friend Keith, he don't like onion. He probably wouldn't even put anything in there. So, Worcestershire sauce, or Worsesister sauce, or Worcester sauce, whatever. We're going to put in 1.5 tablespoons. I'll clean that up in a second. Got everything else to clean up. All right. Let me get my measuring cup. All right. We're going to take and we're going to put a half cup of beef broth in here. Now you can use water. You can use whatever you want. But first of all, I'm not going to make the same mistake I did from one of my other videos. We're going to take this ground gravy mix. Now, we are not going to put all this in there. We're going to use about a fourth to a half packet. So we're going to sprinkle it on there. That's about a half right there. So that's all we're going to do. Now then, we're going to take our half cup of beef broth. Now you can use water, you can use vegetable broth, whatever you want to use. And we're going to put it in here. Now what I do is I just slowly put it on in there and kind of, pour it around. Whatever you want to do. Now, I'm not gonna put any salt and pepper on here until the end. So that's when I'm gonna put that in. But this is done, absolutely done. Put your top on, put it on high, which I've got on high for 4 hours, and it's done. I'll bring you back in 4 hours. Well, everybody, laundry's done. Time to fold it, take it back to the truck. Catch you then. Laundry folded. Return to the truck. All right, guys, it's done. Let's get it out and look at it, shall we? Okay, guys, there's the hamburger patty. Now let me label some gravy up on that. We'll see what it looks like. Well, here we go, guys. Look at that gravy. I thought I had some mashed potatoes, but I don't. So let me get this all set up. I'll take my pictures, and then we'll dig in. All right, we're back. I've got my Coca-Cola here because I know it's going to be hot. Let me go ahead and take my first bite. Oh man, this thing's just falling apart. Onions and mushrooms and beef. You can't have a better meal than that, can you? Here we go. Worth every chew. Worth it. You need to make this. It's really good, really simple, really fast. Especially if you're driving. I want to thank everybody for being here. I'm glad you came along with me for my day cleaning my truck and doing my laundry. I'm John with the Trucker's Kitchen. And always remember, be safe, be good, and I'll see you when I see you.